Once upon a time there lived a girl named Naina. She was going to the market and she saw an angel in the sky. And a demon came and was fighting with the angel. And Baba came in a cloud and told her to open her window. And the Baba tell her, if you want to save the earth, I will give you some power. Throw it up of the angel, then the world will be safe. Then she said, okay, and take the power and throw it up of the angel. And the angel became powerful and killed the demon. And she reached the mall safely and gone to home safely.